In today's video, I am going to teach you how to calculate fixed deposit maturity amount in Microsoft Excel. We will calculate two important values in this worksheet. First, we will calculate the final maturity amount of the fixed deposit. This is the total amount you receive at the end of the deposit period, including both the original deposit and the interest earned. After that, we will calculate the interest earned separately, so you can clearly see how much of the maturity value comes from interest alone. To begin, click on cell B5. This is where we are going to display the maturity amount. Before entering the formula, make sure your fixed deposit details are already placed in the worksheet. In this setup, cell B1 contains the principal amount, which is the original amount deposited. Cell B2 contains the interest rate, cell B3 contains the compounding frequency, and cell B4 contains the tenure or time period of the deposit. Now, with cell B5 selected, go to the formula bar at the top of Excel. Type the formula equals B1 multiplied by, open parenthesis, 1 plus B2, divided by B3, close parenthesis, raised to the power of, open parenthesis, B3 multiplied by B4, close parenthesis. In Excel, the formula should look like this. Equal sign B1, asterisk, 1 plus B2 slash B3, circumflex B3 showed B4. This formula is used to calculate compound interest. The B1 part represents the original deposit amount. The portion inside the parenthesis calculates the growth factor for each compounding period. The exponent part, B3 multiplied by B4, tells Excel how many total compounding periods there are during the full tenure of the deposit. By combining these parts, Excel calculates the total maturity value at the end of the fixed deposit period. After typing the formula carefully, press Enter on your keyboard. Excel will now calculate the result and display the total maturity value in cell B5. This value represents the full amount you would receive at maturity, assuming the values in cells B1 through B4 are entered correctly, and the interest rate is formatted properly for the formula. Next, we will calculate the interest earned over the tenure of the fixed deposit. This is useful because the maturity amount includes both your original deposit and the interest. If you want to know only the profit or interest portion, you need to subtract the original principal amount from the maturity amount. Click on cell B6. This cell will be used to show the isolated interest payout amount. Once cell B6 is selected, type the formula equal sign B5B1 directly into the cell. This formula takes the maturity amount from cell B5 and subtracts the original principal amount from cell B1. After entering the formula, press Enter on your keyboard. Excel will display the interest earned in cell B6. You now have both values clearly shown in your worksheet. The total maturity amount in cell B5 and the interest earned in cell B6. That covers everything you need to know.